Alrighty, welcome back. We've seen some intensification here with Hurricane Sam spinning out in the open Atlantic and thankfully moving away from the U.S. That's the good news. The bad news is it's got 130 mile an hour winds, but it really isn't affecting land, so have at it. It continues to move up over to the north and to the east eventually. Again, a good distance even away from the Bahamas, so that's a reprieve. Meanwhile, remember Peter, that was a last week's storm. The remnants are still being very stubborn, so there's a 50% chance they could redevelop. We'll see. It's not moving toward us, moving kind of northeasterly, but out in near Africa, this tropical development zone is what we're talking about. Two waves, both have a 70 and 90% chance of materializing. One is to the southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. The other, as you see here, a little behind it, it's to the southeast of the Cabo Verde Islands. A 90% chance over the 5-day period that both of those actually get the names Victor or Wanda. The last two names on the first list for this season, guess what, goes to the end of November, so I think we're heading into the second list most likely as well.